All right, today we're going to take a look at this portable charger. This is 32,000 mAh, one of the most powerful chargers I've ever had. Most of these are either like 5,000 or 10,000 max, so this is super powerful, which is awesome, which makes it fast charging. You can charge multiple devices on once. I'll show you exactly what it looks like in just a second. A couple things here. We got the multi-port, fast charging, large capacity, all the good stuff. So let's switch over here. So we got this like little instruction guide that it comes with, walks you through everything you need to know, shows you how to get it set up, everything you would want to know. This is what it looks like right over here from the overhead. So we got our USB-C over here. We got our USB. This is how we're going to charge the device right over here. We're just going to stick that right up top there. Put that into a charging block. We flip this around. Over here we got our little button here to get it going right over here, and you'll see up here it gives you how much it is charged. So this is 89%, which is great. I like knowing how much is left. So you will need chargers for this. So you literally just put your charger up there, and then you're just going to put your phone just like this, and then you'll see it charges that. If we want to connect another device as well at the same time, we could just grab this. So we'll put this one. This is a USB-C. So we need a USB over here. I don't have one right on me, but if you wanted to put a USB right over here, you could do that as well. Another thing that I like about this right here, it is super slim. It is a little bit on the longer side, but it is much more powerful than the typical charger. It could go 3 times faster than most chargers. You go from 0 to 60% in 30 minutes. So if you're looking for a super powerful charger that works really well, easy to take on the go with you, super slim, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.